Yeah. And straight up. Oh, you're bending the wings.
No,
Don't
no.
bend the wings. I think you should put a carbon rod on the wing.
It's only wood.
Just a small one.
Yeah. I'm gonna come and bring it into land now.
Yeah.
It's very powerful though.
Otherwise, you end up like Roy. Yeah, smooth and slick. Very nice. The wings bent, you know.
It goes up like a bird.
Yeah. Real nice.
Yeah. Artech's brushless Cessna, that one. Yeah, a lot of movement on the aileron. I'll set that to maximum, that's why I can roll very fast.
Yeah. And you need that one with your power, you know? Oh no.
Doesn't stall either, look, it just keeps going up.
Yeah, very strong motor. I don't think you need carbon rod on that one. You'll just make it heavier. Just leave it be. Or just put a tape on it underneath. Real nice.
Yeah. Nice modelling.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the scale. This passenger plane. Oh, a low pass.
What, like this?
No.
No, okay.
Just a scale for this scale-looking plane.
Just glide it in.
No, it's alright with your power, little power, but low pass. See? Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time to get your Trojan out now.
My Trojan?
Mm.
How about you? You're not flying?
Oh yeah. Yeah. The only thing it doesn't have is a steerable nose wheel, but